Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off app notifications on your Android device. So let's start. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. And then tap on Notifications. Now tap on See All. I'll just quickly change Most Recent to All. And now you will see all the apps on your phone here. And on this page you can see that which app's notification is turned on. Now to turn off notifications for an app, you have to tap on the toggle just beside the app's name, and the notifications for that app will be disabled. Now there is another way to turn off notifications for an app on your Android device. For that you have to go back to the Settings app, and then scroll down to Apps, and then tap on Apps. And you will see all of your apps here. But it is quite hard to find out which app's notification is turned on. I'll just quickly open an app. I'll go for Drive. And here tap on Notifications. And to turn off notifications you have to tap on Show Notifications. And notifications for this app will be disabled. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.